This is State Route 302, known as the Key Peninsula Highway, at Little Minter Creek in the Purdy area of the Key Peninsula. There are two small culverts beneath this highway at Little Minter Creek that need to be replaced with larger, improved flow culverts. The work is part of WashDOT's Fish Passage Improvement Program and part of a federal court injunction to significantly improve fish passage by the year 2030. These culverts were identified as barriers to fish migration by our partners at the Washington State Department of Fish and Wildlife. Construction kicked off earlier this summer, and travelers will encounter intermittent weekday daytime lane and shoulder closures as crews move equipment. To complete the culvert replacement, crews need an 8-day around-the-clock closure of SR 302. During the closure, travelers will follow a signed detour between 118th Avenue Northwest and 134th Avenue Northwest. Due to turning constraints, semi-trucks and oversized loads will follow a separate detour. Both will travel via State Route 16 to State Route 3 around Henderson Bay. This is approximately a 25-minute detour. The dates of the SR 302 closure will be announced when they are scheduled. To get advance notification of the closure, go to the project webpage shown on your screen and click on the Project Email Alerts link to sign up for notifications. Be sure to download the WashDOT mobile app for advance notice of work on state highways near you. We appreciate your patience and understanding as we work to complete this important fish passage project. Thank you for watching.